Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. I'm in my backyard right now and I'm going to give you really good hack for your backyard. If you love to have some plants, flowers on your backyard and you want to make more look beautiful your plants. I was looking for from long time to have something. Then I look something on Amazon. First I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. You can see I have some spots here where I'm going to plant some plants or flowers like here. I believe if I have some flowers here and it don't look nice, we need some kind of a tree ring or plant ring like I show you here. I have it here. You can see how much difference over here and over here. So this one look way better. Plus, when we are going to water this plant, I don't have a plant inside, but I'm going to because that's the best idea. You can do this one before, but I will give you another idea how you can do if you have already tree or plant, how you can do this one. As you can see, I have this one, and if you have a water inside, the water will not come under this weed barrier. I have this plastic thing, so water will stay in. So whatever the water we are going to the flower, it's gonna stay inside. Plus it's look a lot better than nothing. So now let's start. I'm gonna show you how you can get this one cheaper. First, if you look on Amazon, so look for tree ring, and there's about say 16-inch, but inside the diameter is only 11-inch, not enough. And it's gonna cost you, if you buy one piece, it's gonna cost you about like maybe $15 to $18. If you buy more than one, it probably gonna be drop some cost, like depend on how many you buy. But I'm gonna give you cheap idea how you can do between $9 to $10. Like say this one, I have a flower pot. I bought it from Home Depot and it cost me about $9. Diameter from here to here is about 18-inch. Inside is 16-inch. So this one with the tax and everything I got for $10. Okay, now what we are going to do right now, we are going to prepare first this weed barrier, because this pot gonna have some space on side we have to cover. So I'm going to put it here in the middle and I will cut circle here. So I'm going to cut about like 8-inch wider than this pot. First, this is like 6 foot, so I believe I'm going to make a 3x3 piece. Okay, same thing I'm gonna leave it this side. Now this one we don't need it, and we need to cut circle around. You can use any tool, you can use scissor or something. I have this little knife. I will cut with it. If you don't have this knife, I believe you can mark with the marker and then cut with the scissor. Make sure you put in the center. Okay, so far it looks like a cut. Whatever area left, we're gonna cut it. Okay. Okay, now I have a cut and circle. Now I have cut the circle side of this one, and we're gonna put it on the side. And next thing we are going to cut this pot. You're gonna cut according to what you need, but I'm going to keep this one out of the dirt and about like a 4-inch inside the dirt. So I'm going to cut about like 8-inch. You can cut with the knife, wherever you have it, but I'm going to use my table saw. I did cut the one already and it works. I'm not sure it's a good idea, but you need safety glasses and everything because this plastic fly all over the place. So the way I say, I'm gonna keep 2-inch outside and about 6-inch inside or so. So I'm going to cut most likely 9-inch. You can cut a little bit bigger. If you need it, you can cut it back again. So basically what we're gonna do, I'm gonna keep along with it and I'm gonna circle it and I'm gonna turn the saw on. See how I'm gonna cut it. Not a really good idea, but anyway, this piece is going to be in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean a little bit this one, and then we're gonna do the next process. Now I'm going to use the leftover from the pot as a template. I will cut this weed barrier. Okay, so now we have to make a hole that will fit for this one. You can use any other technique you have. I'm going to use my shovel. Okay, now I'm going to use this one. It fit exactly. A little bit, we have a gap. I will put this dirt on the side. You can have a leveler, you can put a level on it and make sure it's on a level. You can put how much deep you want, you can put high, whatever. But in my case, I'm done right now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out one more time and whatever the dirt, I'm gonna put it inside. Okay, now, that's the way if you don't have a plant any flower yet. But if you have a tree, you can cut it, you can put it around, and then you're done. So here we go. So now the next part, if you remember, we have prepared this one, and we're gonna put this one around. You don't have to, but I'm going to do. That's just the double protection. There will be no weed around this pot. Now you're gonna put those rocks all around, and I'm not going to plant any flower yet because it's too cold. They're not gonna grow. They might gonna die, and they're really expensive. So now I'm gonna put all rocks around, and then we'll see how it look like. Now that's look like the final. I believe this one looked a lot better than before. And if you're more curious about the water, how I'm gonna do the water, then I have a little irrigation pipe here, 1/2 inch. When I will be putting some flowers, I'm gonna put some drip system. I also have a left wire. I'm also going to put some lights. Maybe in a couple of months, after maybe January, I will put some flowers, lights, and everything. Then I will share my final video. So far I'm done for the day. I have 7 of these. I'm going to plant 7 flowers. Something I'm going to plant evergreen, and they're done already. Only the final thing, they're like deep. I need to put something inside, like when I'm gonna put flowers, I have to put some more dirt inside. Then I will have some leveler and level those all. Hope this will help you, give you some kind of idea. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Meet you in next video with the new topic.